They have this like elastic right here, so if you're child, anyways. And you're watching Deja D. And action. What is up, you guys? It's your girl Deja D, and I just want to say welcome to all my new subbies. And if you're watching this video and this is your first time seeing my face on your screen, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and give this video a comment below to let me know what you want to see next. Throughout the video, I'm going to be leaving cards of more fashion videos, more hauls, and things like that that you all want to see. So yeah, we're not going to do too much talking. I'm not going to make this intro super long, but be sure to check out my Depop. I will be dropping new pieces on my Depop, as well as follow me on my social medias. They're all in the description box below, so definitely go ahead and check those out and follow your girl, okay? So you already know I love being a baddie on a budget. I love finding some good deals, because if you could find it for cheap, why would I spend more money on it? Make it make sense. Make it make sense. So today I have a Walmart haul, and I picked up a lot of new pieces. Well, not that many. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things from Walmart yesterday, and I wanted to just show you all them because you all are my friends, and I just want to show you all everything. So okay, so let's go ahead and get right into this video. But before, I'm trying to get to over 1,500 subscribers by the end of this year, and I already gained like 100 in like 2 days. So let's keep this up. I love you all support. I'm gonna keep dropping these bangers for you. So we're gonna actually just hurry up and hop right into this haul. Let me get my receipt, so I can tell you all exactly how much everything costs, and I'm gonna also make sure you all know my sizes and everything like that. So let's go ahead and start off with the tops. Yeah, let's start with the t-shirts that I got, because they're all $7.88. Huh? Somebody say something? Somebody say something? They're all $7.88, you guys. So let's go ahead and let's talk about the one that I have on. Let me see what size I got. So the shirt I have on right now is this green Venom top, and it is a size extra large, and I absolutely love it. I love the black and green. I don't have anything in my closet that's this green color, and I just had to get it, you guys. I just had to get it. So I'm gonna actually show you all what it's looking like. So this is just looking like, it's just this black and green top, and I absolutely love it. So let me know, and also in the comment section, let me know what's your favorite piece that you all see me having from this whole haul. Let me know what's your favorite thing. I think this one and probably my boots are the favorite. This top and the boots are probably my favorite thing. Like, y'all, I'm not even playing. So the next thing I have is this Power Ranger top, and I got this in a size extra large too. I like watching the Power Rangers growing up, and I thought this would be super cute to style with all the colors, because you got pink, blue, green, yellow, red, and like this grayish color right here, as well as it just being a regular black and white top. So I definitely thought this would be a super easy piece to style, and it got a lot of colors in it, so I could do a lot of different things with it. You know, I could put on a red skirt, put on something green, put on some blue. I could really like style the different colors in the top. So I definitely like this top a lot. Yep, that's cute. Okay. And the last top that I got is this white top. This is in a size 2X, so it's oversized. And this says Corvette Classics, the official Chevy original. And so it's this white top, and it got all these nice colors in it. Like I said, I got it in a 2X, and all of the t-shirts I just showed you were $7.88. I'm not sure if you can find these online. I actually went in the store, and I have a vlog of you know, my whole experience shopping there coming up on my channel later on this weekend. So yeah, I'm actually going to edit this video and upload it today. So it's 1 o'clock. Hopefully I can get up there by like 3. So yeah, this top, I got this size 2X, super cute. Love the colors as well. Think that'd be super fun to style. Accessories or the bottoms? Accessories or the bottoms? Accessories or the bottoms? I think we're going to do the bottoms because I really like the accessories. So, and I only got one bottom, so I don't want to say that for the end. So I found these super nice black jeans Only pair of black jeans I got had rips in them. And y'all already know how I feel about ripped jeans, especially my ripped black jeans that you all probably seen on my channel. Those rips in those jeans, I have rips in the butt, rips all down the thighs. It's cute, but girl, you need a regular pair of black pants. Because where's you going with rips in your butt every day? Okay, where are you going? Why you need rips in your butt every time you put on your black pair of jeans? So I found these jeans. And y'all, when I tell you these black jeans, not a game. They're super cute, super stretchy. I got them in a size 15, so I usually wear a size 14, but they only had a 13 and 15. They had like the odd numbers, so I got a 15. They fit me so good, and they are, how much were these? These were $9. Let me show y'all so y'all know your girl ain't lying. These are the jeans. Hold on. Let me make sure you all can see. Can you all see? Hold on. $9.88 for these jeans. Girl, are you crazy? These jeans are so cute. They are super cute, super nice. They got a little bit of stretch. They high-waisted, y'all. Y'all, you better play with your mama. Don't play with me, okay? Play with your mama. Don't play with me. Okay, next let's go to the accessories. I got 2 accessories I want to show you all. So the first thing is this belt. This belt was $10. I got it in a size extra large, and I think it'd be really cute with like a sweater dress or some jeans. Y'all know I love wearing like turtlenecks and stuff like that, and turtlenecks and jeans, so I think this would be really, really cute. Ah, I can't get it to open. Ouch. All right, I'm not breaking my nail. So I can't take this thing off, but it's just this like nice cute black belt. I love that it's no gold or silver. You know how all the time with accessories they want to put either gold accents or silver accents. I love that it's nothing. It's just plain black, so I could put whatever I want on with it. And I think it's really, really cute. I love this big belt buckle, and then I got it in a size extra large like I said, and it was $10. So I think this is a really cute belt. And I also like this crocodile-ish, you know, crocodile-ish print on it. That's really, really cute. I like this a lot actually. And the last thing I want to show you all are probably one of my favorite things. Okay, got these in the store. These boots from Walmart, y'all. They were $29.88. Yes, super cute. And they don't come to your knees. They come like on my calf. They have this like elastic right here, so if you're, whoops, child, anyways, so they have this like elastic right here, so if you're, you know, your calf is thicker, they zip up right here. And I love that the heel is not super big. Like, I am not a real big heel wearer. I don't like really wearing heels, but I like the look of heels. I like the look, like I like heels. I just don't like my feet to be uncomfortable. So these boots right here, killer. These are so cute, and they're very, very comfortable, easy to walk in. So if you're like me and you like heels but you don't like wearing them, you need a comfy heel, I definitely recommend these. I love this snakeskin print on it. It's just so like, y'all know how I feel about snakeskin print and, you know, animal print. I got cheetah print, this, that, everything snakeskin print, tiger print. I got so much animal print. So these boots, $29. Girl, you gotta go get you some. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed that super quick Walmart haul. Let me know if you like this, and I will keep on doing them. Let me know what stories you want to see next. Let me know if you want me to do part 2 or well, this is part 2. I did a Walmart haul already, but let me know if you all want some more content like this. I love you all so much.